Good morning, children. We know how to plot the numbers on the number line. For example, this is a number line 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Suppose 1.5 we will mark here. 1.5. Okay. So these are all rational numbers. We know how to plot rational numbers on the number line. Now we are going to study how to represent the irrational number. Represent the following irrational numbers on the number line. Root of 4.7. 4.7 we know to plot on the number line. Root of 4.7. Okay. So first draw a line like this. Just draw one line. Extend the line like this. Okay. And mark this point as A. And from A, 4.7 is given in the question. So mark a point B such that AB equal to 4.7 centimeter. From A, mark a point B using scale such that AB 4.7 centimeter. From B to C, mark 1 centimeter from B and mention it as C. This is 1 centimeter. This 4.7 centimeter from the question we marked. This 1 centimeter for all the sums. From B, mark 1 centimeter. Okay. Now we want to find midpoint of AC. We want to find the midpoint of AC. For that we are going to draw perpendicular bisector of AC. So how will you draw the perpendicular bisector? If you want to draw perpendicular bisector of AC, take more than half of AC. Just keep the protractor at A. Keep the protractor at A and extend it. Okay. Maybe this will be, see, approximately this will be the half. So more than half. Take here. Okay. So take this much length. Okay. Otherwise 4.7 plus 1, totally 5.7 centimeter AC. Half means more than 3. So take 3 or 3.5 centimeter, like that measurement we can take. Otherwise without taking measurement, just approximately take half and take more than half. Keep the compass at A and cut 2 arcs. Keep the compass at C and cut 2 arcs and join these two. Okay. Take more than half of AC. Okay. And keep the compass at A and cut 2 arcs. Compass at C and cut 2 arcs and join that two. And this is O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC because this is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means bisect into 2 equal halves. So O is the midpoint of AC. Now with O as center and with radius OA. In the compass, take this measurement as a radius. OA take in your compass, this length in your compass. Keep the compass at O and draw a semicircle. You will get a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Keep the compass at O with O as center and with radius OA. That means take OA measurement in your compass and keep the compass at O and draw a semicircle. Okay. Next, take the set square and we have to draw. Take the set square. See. Keep the set square on BC like this. Okay, BC. And above that, keep this set square here. Okay. At B, keep the set square below the line and above that you have to keep like this straightly and you have to draw a line here. Okay, so draw the line here. Using set square you have to draw. Okay, mark this as BD. Now join this OD. Take this measurement OD. Okay. Take this measurement BD in your compass. Take this measurement in your compass and keep it on B and cut the arc like this. BD is equal to root of 4.7. This length is the required length. BD equal to root of 4.7. So question number 1, if you can understand, you try to do that, otherwise after we come to the school we can complete it. Okay, next question number 2, find any two irrational numbers between the two numbers. So this is irrational number. Okay, it is non-terminating, going on, and non-repeating, 3 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. So it is not in the order, no number is repeating in the order. So these two are irrational numbers. We have to find two irrational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, see the first number, 3 3 0 0, here 1 2. So 3 0 1, 3 numbers I have written. The third number is differ. Okay, these two are not equal. 3 0, so 3 0 you write there. Third number is 1, here 2. So 1 is there. So if we write 2, we will get this number, but we want to write the number between 1 and 2. So I have written 1. The fourth digit is 0. So I am changing the next number, 1. So 3011, 0.3011. 3 numbers, first 2 digits are same. So write the same digit. Third digit here 1, here 2. Okay, so I have written 1. Suppose here 1, here 4 is there, we can write 2, 3, whatever it is. But here 1 and the next number 2 is there. So write 1 both the places. Fourth digit is 0. So write the next number, 1 1. We have to find irrational number. So irrational number 0 1, 00 11, 0001, like that any numbers we can write. Here 1 1, next 0 is there. So write 2 or 3 4 whatever it is, and any number you can write. Okay, two irrational numbers. So see to it, the 3 digits, first 3 digits 301, so 301 should be there. Next number 4 is 0. So apart from 0, number greater than 0 we have to write, and this any order we can write. Next, between these two numbers we have to find two irrational numbers. So find the value of 6/7. 6/7 you know to divide. So the 6 is repeating here. 6/7. Okay, now the value is 0.857142. These numbers are repeating, so bar. Next, 12/13. 12/13 also we have to divide like this. So remaining 12, again the 12 first number came. So 923076, these are all the numbers repeating. So 0.923076. Now we have to find two irrational numbers between, see 0.857, 0.923. So as 85 is there, I have written 8687. You can write up to 9190 also, we can write 0.91, 0.90, 0.89, whatever it is you can write. So we want irrational numbers. So 01, 001, 001, etc. 01, 001, 001, etc. That's all. Okay, irrational numbers. Next, irrational number between root 2 and root 3. You must know the value of root 2 and root 3. Root 2 value is 1.4 and 4. You must know, you have to mug up these values. Root 2 1.4 and 4, root 3 1.732. So 1.4, 1.7. So in between number we can write 1.5, 1.6. These two are same, so write 1, here 4, here 7. So between 4 and 7 we can write 5, 6. Okay, so here 01, 001, 001, etc. Like that many numbers we can find, not only these two numbers. Okay.